Okay, now I want to show you the CUBY house inside. The frame, the size of the frame is 10 feet on 20 feet. And this is that part that you have seen downstairs and where the drainage are inside. The size, it's a big size windows here, aluminum one, that already pre-installed into the wall models. This is the furniture, and this furniture also we supply with the building, because we already know the connection and dimensional size, and that's why we can, this is our furniture proprietary models furniture. And for example, you can change different size of the shelves, you can change different size and different shape of the buildings, of the furniture, like here, for example. This one, it's also that furniture that you can build with modular blocks. Or for example, this, that this kitchen. Here, for example, you can find the magnetic wallpaper, and you can change this wallpaper yourself without any construction, workers, and you can buy it and you change it yourself. Do you know that one of the main principles of the CUBY house, this is maintenance, design and construction of the building without any construction cost. Okay. Well, now I'm going upstairs and I will show you everything, on the second floor here. And I will show what is the main cassette. This is the main cassette, the main structure of CUBY house, and the size of that is 10 feet on 20 feet, and you have already pre-installed heating system, ventilation system, electricity, smart house, air conditioning, and so on. And you just, when you install these cassettes, you connect them between each other, and that's why they begin to create a house. Here you find, for example, this is also our proprietary technology, that these shelves and this TV are fixed on the wall with the magnets. You can see that, and you can change, you can change the position of the shelves very fast by yourself. And also in each model there is a smart house, and in the smart house there is a sensor of light, of CO2, ventilation, heating control, and so on. And for example, this radiator are controlled by the self-control valve, and also we have several types of heating. It's air conditioning and the gas oven. If you don't like some ultra modern design like we have here, for example, you can find here, this is a magnetic wood. You can install it by yourself very fast. Or this is a magnetic ceramics that also installed very fast, and in the bathroom and so on. For example, the stones, I can show you like that. This one, and you install it yourself very fast. This is a metal, this is a CUBY metal technology. We have a CUBY concrete. The metal one is we come up to deliver to long distance, and that's why there is this kind of crosses that help us just to protect this building of earthquake. And you know that the design of the furniture, of the CUBY furniture, help to hide all of that stuff like I show you right now here. For example, you can find it here. Now I will show you also the bathrooms. On the second floor there is a small bathroom here, small one with shower, and the main bathroom are downstairs. I will show it to you right now. Here, and a small sauna here. We can also supply it with the building. It's a modular one. And that's it. Thank you so much.